In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings for your online store. This is an essential adjustment, especially if you're expanding your market or if you've recently moved to a different region. Let's dive into the process together, ensuring you can smoothly make this currency switch without a hitch. Start by navigating to the Store Details section. This is your main hub for all things related to how your store is set up and managed. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options available that help you configure the foundational aspects of your store. We want to find the General section, so go ahead and scroll down until you see the section labeled Store Defaults. This area holds various default settings that apply across your store, ensuring that everything runs according to your preferred baseline configurations. Next, shift your focus to the Currency Display section, which is where all magic regarding your store's currency happens. Currently, your store's currency should be listed here, and now it's time to make that change. You'll notice beside your current currency, there is a three-dot icon, which is essentially a gateway to more options. Click this icon. By clicking on these three dots, you're bringing up a hidden menu of additional options that aren't immediately visible at first glance. When the menu appears, you want to select the option that allows you to change your store currency. This option is straightforward, as it directly offers you the ability to alter the default currency for your store's transactions. Upon selecting Change Store Currency, you'll see a drop-down list that appears with a broad array of currency options. This list is designed to cater to the multitude of global currencies, reflecting the diverse business environment we operate in. Here, you should select your new default currency. For instance, if you're shifting from Philippine Peso, PHP, to United States Dollar, USD, or vice versa, this is the place to do it. Carefully pick your choice to ensure it aligns with your strategic goals or regional requirements. After you've decided on the currency that best suits your needs, it's important to save these changes to lock in your selections. Click Save to finalize this new configuration. This button is your confirmation step, ensuring that the changes are registered and applied to your store. Make sure everything is set up correctly before you hit that Save button to avoid any unintended shifts or errors. And that's it. With those simple steps, you've successfully altered the currency setting in your store, helping you reach out to more customers or align with new personal preferences. Keep in mind that changing your store's currency can have implications for pricing displays and transaction processing. So always double-check that all relevant sections are appropriately updated to maintain a seamless customer experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.